you doing? It's your girl Chericerere coming to you all with another video. It is Sunday, is it the 9th, I think? The 9th or the 10th. But I'm sitting here watching TV. It's off the weekend, and I'm actually sitting here eating a taco. Just put some on my stomach. I put some turkey wings in the oven, so I'm baking those. Today is the Super Bowl, so I might go with my mom's, my dad's, to watch the Super Bowl, or I might just stay home because I do have to get up and go to work in the morning. But just coming in to open up the vlog. This is gonna be a week vlog, so you're gonna get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You might get it all. So happy Sunday. I'm finished here eating my taco. I'm watching Any Heat of the Night. I love watching that, y'all. And happy Sunday. So I'll call y'all back. Okay, family. So we is getting ready to go to my mom's. Let me turn this music down. To watch the Super Bowl. Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. It's cold. Still cold here, y'all. It's like 5:58. And we're getting ready to go to my mom. She cooked dinner and everything. So we're getting ready to go over there for the Super Bowl. Once again, happy Sunday. I hope everybody's having a blessed and beautiful day thus far. This is Sunday, the beginning of a vlog. This is going to be a week's vlog. So you guys will get a week's vlog from me. So y'all have a blessed and beautiful day. Enjoy the Super Bowl. Don't drink and drive. And I'll see y'all later. I'll call y'all back. Bye. Good morning, family. Good morning. Hold on, y'all. I was starting the cars up so we can get ready for work. Good morning, y'all. It is Monday. What's the day? Today is the 10th of February. Hold on, y'all. Let me change my thing. Hold on. It is the 10th of February, and I am getting ready for work. Up curling, doing something to my hair. Really quick, y'all. Just leaving it in these little two ponytails and throwing some curls in it. Good morning. How did you all do for the Super Bowl? Did you stay out late? Are you going to work? I'm headed to work, y'all. Hubby is too. But good morning. This is Monday. This is a daily vlog that I am taping. And happy Monday, y'all. I'm just putting some wine curls in my hair. Valentine's Day is Friday, y'all. Me and hubby gonna go to dinner. We probably gonna go. We wanna go to PF Chain. So I'm gonna give y'all a Valentine's Day look. I'm not doing a lookbook. I'm gonna give y'all a look. I might do 2 looks. I might be one. One might be dressed up, and one might be dressed down. But I'm gonna be dressed down. It is cold. We're supposed to get another storm here, y'all. So for Friday, I'll be dressed down because we're supposed to be getting some inches of snow here in Michigan, y'all. So yeah, I'm just putting some wine curls in here, touching this up. Really quick. But I hope everybody having a blessed and beautiful day. I bought a few things from TJ Maxx. I'm trying to get my desk together back there, so I'm gonna be buying things for my desk. Revamping my desk. So yeah, I know I got the perfume stand big now, so there's nothing on there, but I want to make it a desk. So I'm gonna get like a cover for it, and just some things to put on my desk to make it look like a desk. So pull this down in the back. These are my little 2 tails, y'all. These are the glasses I'm wearing today. I think I'm okay with this. I just do a little touch up to this. Just make it look a little decent. Put a little sheen to it. And that is it, y'all. So, Happy Monday. I hope you all have a blessed day. I will call y'all back in 1 minute, okay? Good morning, family. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. It is the 12th of February. I'm getting ready for work once again. I didn't come back on last couple of days, but today is Tuesday. I'm just up doing a little something to my hair. I'm getting ready for work. I think I'm doing my hair a little bit different. But good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How everybody doing? Y'all, we're finna get us a snowstorm. About 4 to 6 inches of snow. So, yeah. You know, let me try this new, got this new little thing here, y'all. From, I'll put it on my phone. I gotta put it on my phone. I got that from Shein. But I'm just doing my hair a little different, y'all. Let's see. Too much. I don't like to wear my hair down because I'll be working. I want to see what can I do. Got the TV going, watching the news. We getting the snow, y'all. It's supposed to be coming starting today. Pull this to the back. Like this, y'all. Wear it like this. I'm gonna get up and make me some coffee. Start my car. And, I don't eat breakfast. I just do coffee in the morning. Because I eat breakfast at break. Yeah, I do not know how to do my hair, but I do okay. Make it work. How that look, y'all? Okay. How that look? Let's curl this little part right here. Curl this little part right here. And then I put my glasses on. I've showered and everything, as you can see. Brush teeth, wash face, all that. So, turn them off. I need to lay this down right here. Okay. Just put some little stuff right there. That's okay. Okay, I got on my turn brush earrings today. So, yeah. So, this will do for today. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see what I can see. These are the frames I'm wearing today. These red frames. So, let me go make some coffee and I will call you back. Hey family! Good afternoon or good evening, y'all. What is going on? Girl, I'm just getting off work. Sorry you see the steering wheel, y'all, but I'm driving right now. I'm in my car right now. Just getting off work. Stop at the store, you know, play my lottery and stuff like that. We're supposed to be getting a snowstorm tomorrow starting at 2 o'clock. I think first they said 4 to 6 inches, then they went to 5 to 8 inches. So I don't know how much we're getting, but I know we got a snowstorm coming. And yeah. So I'm normally off on Wednesdays and Thursdays, but I am going in tomorrow to about 12 or 1, and we'll be taking my Thursday off because I got to keep my grandbaby. So getting up, going to work in the morning. I hope everybody had a nice day today. It is Tuesday, the 11th of February. Valentine's Day is the 14th. Who all celebrate Valentine's Day? Me and hubby normally don't, but this Friday we're gonna just go to dinner. You know, when you married, I've been married, it'll be 12 years. Me and my husband been married. October the 9th, it'll be 12 years for us, and we just go out and we just enjoy each other every day or whatever the case may be. So, you know, Valentine's Day is every day, you know, for us. So, but those that do, you know, go out and enjoy it with your girlfriends or best friends or whatever, however you do it, you know. I hope y'all have a good day. But yeah, just getting off work, heading home. Stopped at a couple of stores, and I just thought about it. I could have been talking to y'all on my way home, but just popping in for a minute to say, hey, I had a good day at work today. It was kind of busy, but other than that, it was okay. So I'm gonna get in here and I'm going to I don't know, see what we gonna have for dinner today, y'all. I don't know. But oh, excuse me. I done ran over this big old piece in the street, y'all. But I hope everybody have a blessed and beautiful day, and I will come back to you all once I get in the house and get settled in. I'll call y'all. Hey family, how y'all doing? I got y'all in the steering wheel. Just getting off work. I had to run a couple of errands, and I'm trying to get home. Not rushing to get home, but trying to get home because we about to get a snowstorm here. Today is Wednesday, the 12th of February, and yeah, we're about to get a snowstorm. It's supposed to start about maybe 4 o'clock or something like that. So a lot of people is trying to, you know, do their grocery shopping or whatever, because you might be snowed in. You just never know, you know. So that's where I'm headed to. Just got through doing. I just ran to Target's. I ran into the Dollar Tree because we had just got a new truck and we didn't have a snow brush and a scraper for the truck. So I went and bought that. And my grandbaby, she's under the weather a little bit, so I picked up her some medicine, and she like apples, so I got her some apples and things. First and foremost, I want to say good afternoon, morning, and evening, all that. Whenever you start watching this video, I hope everybody's having a blessed and beautiful day, being safe out here in this world. Let me turn this seat off. I got to have that on. Hope everybody's being safe. I was trying to figure out what I want to get me to eat, because I was going to fry some shrimp later on for me and Gray, but I'm hungry now. I went to work on my off day, so I got off early. I got off at 12, and I had to go to my doctor's office to check on my FMLA papers, and they wasn't ready, so I stayed up there to 12:30. So I'm trying to get home now, and trying to figure out what I want to get to eat. Do I want to give me something to eat? Because the snowstorm is coming. I ain't trying to be out here in that. Like we're supposed to get
maybe it was 4 to 5 inches, and then it went to 6 to 7. Now it's 7. So I don't know how many inches. It's probably more than 4. I think it'll be more than 4, y'all. So that's a lot. So I'm off tomorrow, thank God. So I won't have to come out in the weather tomorrow. I don't have to watch Denila tomorrow because my son is off work. So I won't have to do that. So I'm just getting things so I don't have to leave out the house. If I don't have to, I have a store up the street for me. But if I don't have to leave out, I don't have to leave out. I'm not coming out, you know. I'm just not going to do it. But I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. I haven't ate anything yet, and I'm getting hungry. But I just wanted to pop in and for the vlog and say I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, a prosperous week. Traffic is getting a little heavy because they're closing up. Some of the things are leaving early. Like I was just in the dollar store, the Dollar Castle, and the guy said that they was closing up early because of the weather. So I'm sorry, y'all. It was closing up early because of the weather. So they would send a lot of people home early. You guys know I work in the hospital, so they was asking some people, do they want to stay over because the afternoon shift is like already calling in. They already calling in, y'all. So I look wild and crazy today because I've been running, just trying to get stuff so that I can get home. It's 2:22 now, so stop at my son's, drop off my grandbaby her stuff, and I'm gonna get on in the house, y'all. So listen, I will be back tomorrow to share with you guys and show y'all, so I can show you all how much snow we did receive here in Michigan, y'all. But other than that, I'm gonna get off of here. So
Good morning, family. Good morning, y'all. It is February the 13th, Thursday, and I'm off today, y'all. So what does that mean, Cherice? It's Denila's day, but my son is off, so I might not have to watch her, but I think I do because he said he's going to get a haircut today. So I think that's what's going on with him. He was telling me he need to go get his haircut, so he might need me to keep her while he run and do that. So excuse me, y'all. That's what I might have to do, is keep her. But nothing's going on, y'all. Ooh, excuse me, family. It is 6:47 in the morning, and I do get up early, y'all. Let me look out this window and see. Yeah, we got a lot of snow, y'all. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show y'all this snow. Hold on. Okay. If y'all can see, that's how much snow we got. That's our light in front of the house, but yep, that's how much snow we got. We didn't get as much as I thought we was going to get, but it's enough. Yeah, y'all, it was enough. But not enough because people was calling in work and they closed all the schools today. Them kids could have went to school today, y'all. You know why they had them kids out of school today? When I was coming along, we had to go to school. We had to get up and go to school. You hear me? So it wasn't no wasn't none of that schools closed and all that type of stuff. Yeah, they closed these schools for little or nothing. Hold on, family. All right, family. So I am back. Get ready to do my hair. Just probably put some little curls in it. I'm not going nowhere. Like I said, I'm going over to watch the grandbaby. So I just doing a nice little sweater outfit because, like I said, I told y'all we got some snow yesterday, last night, and I'm just cleaning my face right now, y'all. I'm not gonna put no makeup on because I'm not going nowhere, so I'll do the makeup tomorrow, but I'm just cleaning my face right now. I normally like wash my face and then I go back and clean it. Cause y'all have eczema, so I have to keep my face clean. So I'm just cleaning it, double cleaning it. I'm gonna put little curls in my hair, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna end this vlog, y'all, because I wanna come back and show y'all what I got from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I mean TJ Maxx and TJ Maxx and Targets. So we're gonna do this. Let's do this really, really quick. I like already curled it. I'm gonna do what I did to it yesterday. I might just you know what? I might just keep his curls, y'all, because me and hubby going out tomorrow. I want to keep some curls in it. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I was gonna curl it and lay it down, but it's snowing outside and stuff, so ain't no sense in me doing all that. I'm gonna put a hat on, or have my hood on. So what I'm gonna do is, and I had these on because I was gonna curl my hair for a minute, but you know what? Nope, I'm not gonna do that. I don't need these on, so I'm gonna turn these off. Matter of fact, I'm gonna unplug them. Hold on, family. So this is what I end up doing with my hair. I did do a little curl into it, and I just threw on a little cute headband for today. And I'll probably wear it like this tomorrow too. Like I said, it's snowing out, y'all, and we got some snow. We got some inches. So, I mean, I got to wear a hat or something. I'm just curling some more of the ends of this. But I just threw on this cute little headband, and that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna do any makeup. I might put a little something on, but nothing too major, y'all. So I'm going to, let's throw on a little makeup. I'm just curling the end of this. Just curling the end of it, y'all. Turn these off. I threw on my little Fendi hoop earrings, just a little cute little Fendi hoop earrings. I did do the top of my head with my edge stuff. I'm just gonna put a little concealer under my eyes, y'all. Just a little. Let me see. This is the. Wait, what is this? I cannot see. I can't see. What is this? This is okay. This is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect and Toffee. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this under the eye, where it's dark at. Just a little. I'm just gonna blend that in, and then let me get a blender. Where's my blender at? Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna blend that in. Just a little, just to put a little something under the eye. A little bit more on there. I like sometimes when I put the correction thing on that, it really helps me for under my eyes, you know. Put the dark rings under the eyes. So just a little something there, and then I'm going to just put a little bit of this under there too. It's a little foundation. I'm just gonna carry it on up here. Just a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit.
on the eyes. I want to show do bigger hoops. I'm gonna stay with the small hoops. What else? Let's see. I'm gonna put a little shadow on them, just a little. Just a little shadow. Let's see. Just a little something, y'all. As they call it, just a little 1-2. Cause I don't wear shadow and stuff during the week. I'm at work, so just a little something on the eye, y'all. I'm not doing too much of nothing. Okay, just a little eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little eyeliner on, and then that'll be it. Okay, just a little eyeliner. If I can get it out of here. Okay, so that's it, y'all. Just to look for today. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing really quick. Put my glasses on. I am wearing these. Came from Dorella Eyewear. So I'm putting these on, and then I'm gonna show y'all really quick what I got. Okay, family. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. The outfit of the day. Hope that ain't too much glare. Okay, there we go. So you guys saw I did my hair. Doing this hairband. Glasses come from Dorella. I have on a TJ Maxx. This is a Rachel Zoe necklace, wedding ring. I did do my nails. These are Shein nails, y'all. This is a Rachel Zoe ring, wedding ring, Apple Watch, Rachel Zoe bracelets. This here is from Shein. Y'all know what this is, like Hermes. So this came from Shein. Very, it didn't cost a lot. I'm gonna go back and get like another color because they have multiple colors of these. I will link it down below if I can. This is an old outfit. This is a sweater outfit. It came from TJ Maxx, and I bought it separately, you all. So this is a sweater outfit. It's cut on the side, slits on the side, and the pants are sweater also. Just a really, it's a sweater outfit, y'all. It's cold outside, okay? And I'm gonna put on my hunter boots, but this is the outfit for today. Listen, don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell that notifies you when videos upload on my channel. I do say I had on Pandora studs and Fendi earrings. So this is the outfit, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog during the week. It is Thursday, February 13th. I'll be back with a Shein haul. No, with a TJ Maxx and Target's haul. I do have a Shein haul coming, you guys, but I'll talk about that in the other haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Share the videos if you like. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and I will catch y'all in the next video. I'll call y'all back. Bye.